So, you know that happy customers are the key to your business success. But do you really know how each move went? Does your existing customer feedback process tell you what your customers like and don't? Are you able to generate analytics to identify and measure your service quality? Are your positive reviews spreading their reach and getting you new customers? How do you feel when an unhappy customer starts ranting off somewhere on social media and you have no means to respond in a timely manner? Let us take care of all of that with MoveAid. We'll help you monitor and manage your customer feedback efficiently and effectively. Here's how MoveAid works. After each move, use our link to invite your customers to provide their feedback online. We'll keep track of the response rates for you and send reminders on your behalf. We'll also provide a little carrot to encourage your customers to share their positive reviews on Facebook and Twitter. You'll want those great reviews to start spreading. If your customer says you fell short of their expectations, we will alert you immediately so you can jump on the service recovery process. A perfect opportunity to turn angry, frustrated customers into loyal ones. Feedback and ratings are collected and compiled in real time so you can monitor the performance of your teams and benchmark against industry averages. Leave your customer feedback to us so that you can focus the rest of your resources on delivering that perfect move. Sign up for a free trial with MoveAid today. Start transforming your customer feedback into increased business performance.